The reason why acupuncture works is because when you cut into the flesh, the qi current will increase at the punctured area. The body is trying to heal the damage done by the cut. Therefore, it sends more qi current to that wounded area. Ancient Chinese healers noticed this and invented a way to generate artificial qi current by inserting needles into the flesh. The needles caused very little damage but attracted lots of qi energy from the rest of the body. So if you have damage in the brain, you may insert a few needles on your scalp to heal the brain. If you have damaged liver, stick needles near the liver to heal the liver. Basically, that's how it works. But the problem with acupuncture is that it's very hard to determine where to insert the needles. If you insert the needle at the wrong spot, the qi current could travel to a totally wrong direction, rendering the healing session useless. Plus, acupuncture is also painful. Most people cannot bear the treatment. Another thing bad about acupuncture is you can't insert needles at the same spot day after day. Inserting needles at the same spot multiple times can cause serious damage to your flesh and can jam up the qi flow even more. But one day in November of 2022, Alex Chiu had this bright idea. Why not use a diode to replace needles? What a diode does is it draws electrons from one pole and spew out electrons at the other pole. So a diode is a one-way traffic regulator of electrons. And qi energy is made of electrons. So if a diode is placed on the flesh, it should generate qi flow that flows from one end of the body to the other end. If this works, then we can just throw away all the acupuncture needles and use diodes instead. Alex Chiu tried it, and it worked instantly. The qi flow is being sucked into the negative pole of the diode. Then the diode spew out qi energy at the positive pole. As you can see in this picture. If you tape a diode to the cheek with negative pole right under the eye and the positive pole right above the mouth, the qi flow will flow from the eye and flow toward the jaw. When this happens, there will be cell realigning process in the eye. So the eye will heal. And you can tape a diode near the eye to heal the eye every day. And there is no pain at all. Alex Chiu believes that this diode healing system is much better than acupuncture needles because the diode causes no damage at all. So 100% of the qi flow generated by the diode will concentrate on healing the damage that you intend to heal. But when you use needles, a portion of the qi flow will be used on healing the puncture wound caused by the needle. So needles will create energy waste. Some people might wonder, how can a diode draw qi energy from the flesh at one pole and spew qi energy out from the other pole? The answer is simple. There is qi energy traveling in the body all of the time. If you tape a diode to the flesh, qi energy will try to use the diode as a bridge to travel to the other side. But since the diode is a one-way traffic, there is only qi energy traveling from the negative pole of the diode and enters through the positive pole. But qi energy cannot enter through the positive pole and travel to the negative pole. So this is why, although a diode does not have any moving parts, it still can draw qi energy from your body and make your qi energy travel to the other portion of your flesh. Instructions on how to use diodes for healing. Wear the immortality rings during healing session. Tape a diode to the flesh with medical tape. Make sure that the two metal prongs of the diode is touching your skin. So after you tape to your skin, press on it firmly to ensure good connectivity. Lie down for healing. You will feel pulsation or cell realignment process near the diode. Take off the diode after about 10 minutes and continue sleeping with your rings on. It's better to lie on your back so the healing will continue for another 30 minutes. You can feel the healing caused by the diode. You can feel jolts or pulsation in the flesh. This means cells are realigning and healing themselves. You can use the same diode each night, and it will last forever. But there is danger and risk with diode healing too. For example, if you have asthma, you cannot place the diode near your throat. Too much qi flow near the throat can cause inflammation and could trigger an asthma attack. So diode healing is a study that needs to be practiced by future Chinese medical practitioners. Alex Chiu is now selling this needleless acupuncture diode on his website now. So go to Alex Chiu's website to purchase this technology. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.